myself. I'm staring at my shadow. I'm not gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow. When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You're still raising me up, but when I look aside.
Good morning guys, happy Saturday. Today I have something to tell you, but before that I have to get ready. So I'm gonna quickly get ready and then I'll talk with you guys.
It ain't over. I'm not done. I just want me to find it. 'Cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. I'm not done. I just want me to find it. 'Cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it.
So guys, I'm ready. Now I have to make a call and then I'm going to tell you what I want to tell you. Yes, I've been keeping you waiting for a long time, but I promise we are actually going to tell you what we are going to tell you. By the way, you know what work from home outfit is? This. The shorts which I wear at home with a pretty top, like most people do nowadays. But nobody tells, I'm telling you. Finally, Rebecca can hear me, I can hear her, so wait.
Hi, finally. A virtual reunion.
Yeah, a virtual reunion. You people have seen both of us, but like one by one, not together. So I'm also seeing her after a long time. Hi Rebecca.
Hi. So,
Yeah.
it is a bit different.
Yes, it is a bit different, and I am so nervous that I'm sweating, and also the fan is switched off, so I'm sweating.
Exactly, and I need the caffeine, and I didn't have coffee.
I had tea. So should we tell them?
Tell them.
You tell them or will I tell them? I'm confused.
So let's tell them together.
Yeah. So
Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Disha is going to open a new channel.
I didn't say with you. Yes, I'm going to open a new channel. Already 3 videos are ready for my channel. So I'm going to start my personal channel and I'm very happy about that. So I had
Now,
been...
to her channel will be in the description box down below of our every video, so you can go and check it out. What it's gonna be about, Disha, tell them.
Yes, I'm going to tell them, but first it is going to be in the description box below. So if you can subscribe beforehand, please do so. And the channel is going to be about pressure cooker. No, not pressure cooker. The channel is going to be about fashion, makeup, lifestyle, journaling, the things which I am interested in. All these topics. So the thing is, in the beginning I thought that I'll start a channel. As you know, I was writing down the ideas and everything about fashion and lifestyle, and then we started Chapter Drama out of the blue, and I never thought that I'll start a comedy channel.
The credits go to me because Juice, I'm telling you, it happened mostly because of Mostly Sen. Wow, that rhymed. It happened mostly because of Mostly Sen.
So
I wasn't nervous that night. I will tell you people how it started once we meet in person and we will do a sit down talk, okay?
yeah, actually we need to meet up in person to tell the whole story. But yeah, Chapter Drama was never in my mind that I'll start a comedy channel. I never thought that I will start a comedy channel. I like comedy, but I don't think I'm a comedic person. but turns out to be the opposite. So
Your acting is pretty good, to be honest.
thanks.
I actually thought that we would stop after doing 2 videos because I thought that ideas won't be coming up, but then it did. So we just kept on doing.
Yeah, that's a good thing. So I'm going to start my own channel. The first video is already up there, but it's private, so I'm going to schedule it to Tuesday 6 p.m. in the evening, because Tuesday will be a gap enough for you to wait, but not too long that you will forget that my channel is coming up. So the video will go up on 6 p.m. on Tuesday. So I am thinking of posting videos every week on Tuesdays, and if I think every week, yes, every week. So I'm thinking that the video will go up on Tuesdays if the schedule works well for me. So if you want to go and subscribe now, but you won't get to see anything now because the channel is empty except for my picture and the cover picture.
I've seen the intro and outro, guys, and it's very aesthetic. So I'm pretty sure her videos will be aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah, actually the first video I stayed up like at 2 a.m. last night to complete the video, and I uploaded it in today morning because the file was crashing, then the Cyberflex, the audio file was slipping, and there was so much problem. I thought that I won't be able to upload, but I did. So it's there. So that's what we had to say. Rebecca, say something.
I don't know what to say actually. Basically, I'm looking forward to her channel too, because to be honest, when I was in class 11 and 12, Disha used to bring this notebook, and she showed me her video ideas at that time, where school was stressful, boards were stressful, so she didn't do anything. But now that she's finally, after 2 years, decided to do it, Disha, thank God, after 2 years she finally decided to do it. I'm actually really looking forward to it, and I hope it goes well. I hope you get more subscribers, but don't forget the Chapter Drama channel.
Yeah, don't forget. I won't forget, guys. Also, don't forget. Of course, I will post one video on Chapter Drama like I do, along with one video on Miss Darcy. So there are 2 videos I will shoot in a week. That's a lot. After shooting one Chapter Drama video, I'm like,
But anyways, I hope you guys will enjoy her channel and subscribe to her channel. Support her as much as you guys are doing to our channel. And yeah, that's all. I'm pretty much having a existential crisis right now shooting this video too, because I don't do well on what? See, I can't even speak right now. I don't do well in front of the camera. I do well behind the camera, so that's why you guys don't see my face in the videos, because you would be bored to death.
yes, guys, you people might think Rebecca doesn't do anything, but she does a lot. She handles the Instagram, and then she edits the videos, and handling the Instagram is a huge job, which I feel very lazy to do. So now I'm handling my own Instagram because I have to do it. But yeah, I am learning. I'm on the learning curve behind the cameras. I didn't like editing in the beginning. I was like, I don't want to edit.
But I loved editing. Like, editing was my life literally. I used to edit stupid stuff just to improve my editing stuff. But then Disha learned it too, and now she can do it. She can edit like a pro now.
Yeah.
Though
Da 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 da.
it's pro.
Yeah, so now I can edit. I have learned to edit. I'm learning to do other things also. And also you can check what I'm short of words. Check out our Instagram. Check out my Instagram. It is Miss Darcy, and her Instagram is, which one is your Instagram? Your personal.
You guys able to see you listen. First of all, go and check it out on our Chapter Drama Instagram. I am working very hard and creating an aesthetic for Chapter Drama. I am not very active in my own Instagram, so there is no point in following my private. And I have a private one and a public one, but the public one is basically a book blog. So if you guys are interested in book blogs and stuff like that, then go follow K-pop books. Disha will leave the links in the description box.
Yes, I will leave the links in the description box. Also, Rebecca writes in Wattpad. So if you want to read her writings, go to Wattpad. I'll link that down below. Yes! Yes! So go and check it out. She has like, how many votes do you have?
Like you will write in a blog, right? Like you will also have a blog, right?
Yes, I will also have a blog where I will... that blog will be a side to the video, so that you can get a guide, like a written guide to the things, because the channel is also be going to a fashion guide kind of a thing. So it is going to be written guide, and my blog will be also there in the description box. And in the first blog, Rebecca wants to work with me. She wants to work for me.
My writing style, that's why I thought this was the best chance.
Yeah, so she will do it. I have already uploaded the video, and then Tuesday it is going up, so stay tuned.
I guess that's all.
Oh yeah, that's all.
And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and follow us on Instagram. Follow her on Instagram. Subscribe to her channel because it's gonna be pretty good. Actually, it's gonna be beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. You don't want to miss them out. So yeah, that's it. This Saturday. No, wait. We will meet you in the next Saturday. Stay tuned for the next Saturday's video. It's gonna be different, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be different. And also this Saturday, this video is going up, and on Tuesday my video is going up. So a lot of videos is coming on the way, and I have decided to post at least 3 to 4 times on Instagram because I want to grow it.
Finally.
Yesterday I changed the highlight covers. Go check it out. So that's it. Okay, bye.
So we're screen off for this.
Bye. We are done with it. She was talking and I just hung up the call in between. I thought that she was telling bye. I think it was bye. I don't know. So that was it for today's video. Comment down below and in the description box down below, and for more such content, subscribe to Chapter Drama, and also subscribe to my channel to support me. It is going to be a fashion, and I'm focusing on a bit of aesthetics because I love aesthetics for now. I don't know what is going to happen in later portion of the channel, but now it is all aesthetic and everything, so you can go and check it out. And that's it. Okay, bye.